Miss Carly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Also, what's brand new is Amazon storefront, which I'm so excited. Links down below so you can find all the wigs that I have reviewed and all my favorite makeup and all that great stuff. So let's get into this wig right here. This is from Formal Hair. I actually did a wig review for them before. The link is down below for that one, and I really loved it. I'm really excited to give this wig a try, as I do not have this style of lavender wig in my collection. So let's just take a quick little look at it really quick in her gorgeousness. Look at these curls. I absolutely love a wig that has these sweeping romantic curls, and as you can see, there are long and mid-length layers, which who is going to fight that? I will not. This wig also does have very dark roots, which I do not mind, but they are a black root, as you can see. And then let's look at the construction of this wig. She does have a medium tone lace right here, and then she does have your standard 2.5 inch parting right here. And then she has some combs. She's got two combs right here on the side. She has one comb right here in the middle. Does she have a comb in the back? She does not, with the fasteners. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. All right, so let's put her on. So this wig also came with 2 wig caps, which is pretty exciting. So as soon as it arrives, you are ready to go and rocking her out. But I'll be using one of my wig caps that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really love these wig caps. It's always good to have a lot of wig caps around your house. I put my wigs on front to back, so I'm just gonna whip her on. Okay, look at this gorgeous girl. So in love. All right, so let's take a little look at this hairline. So if you were to glue her down, of course she would lay pretty good along your hairline. And just like any wig, customizing your wig, if you would like to customize it, is honestly a great way to make it look a little bit more natural. But of course, this is all about you and living your best life. So don't feel bad if you don't want to pluck your wig line. It's totally fine. You just do you and look fabulous. Who cares about what anyone has to say about it? All right, so let's cut off this lace. I just gave her a very light brushing, so she does have very minimal shedding, just like your standard wig would have. She also is heat resistant as well. It doesn't say the exact temperature in the description, but I would gather around 300-ish degrees. Definitely always go low if it doesn't state what the temperature is, and you can modify it from there. But let's just take a look at her and her gorgeous sweeping curls. So she's 24 inches. So let me stand up, and that's true, her longest part is at my mid-waist, but I'm just loving these mid-length layers right here and just loving it. All I did was just add a little bit of powder to the root, so I have not done any plucking, so I like to do these reviews as basically straight out of the box, so you can really get a look at the potential for her. My favorite way to change the parting is to flip the wig cap around. So let's put her on the side that I usually wear my hair, which is, I part my hair on the left eyebrow right here. Let me do a little bit more aggressive. Let's get a little bit more aggressive. I'd probably just use, if I wanted to lay it on this side, I'd probably just use a flat iron just to modify this just a little bit, but of course I love this. Why wouldn't I? All right, let's move it on the right side, which is, as we all know, my misfit eyebrow. We all have one eyebrow that does not like to participate And that's my right one. Okay. Almost the exact same look. You can definitely have fun like popping up this top if you wanted to do a little bit more of a retro kind of vibe. Looks like she has the potential to do something like that with that. Ooh, love it. I absolutely love pastel wigs, and with spring here and summer coming, nothing says fun like wearing completely fun hair. And I absolutely love, especially with all these summer festivals, it's definitely an opportunity if you're not used to wearing a wig to go out there and have fun and live your best life. This wig is from Formal, so of course all the information is down below. It is also in my storefront right now, but do check it out. Let me know if you have a favorite lavender wig, or if you have any of these Formal wigs from Amazon. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. So do check me out on Instagram. You know I love to see you wearing your wigs and your makeup looks and being as fabulous as you can be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous, empowered, and amazing in a lavender wig, wear it, love it, own it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.